Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a basic recipe for chicken broast. Ingredients: 4 pieces of bone-in chicken, you can use thighs or drumsticks. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to your spice preference. 1 cup buttermilk. Oil for frying. Instructions. In a bowl, mix the flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, oregano, and cayenne pepper to create the breading mix. Place the chicken pieces in a separate bowl, pour the buttermilk over them, and let them soak for about 30 minutes. Heat the oil in a deep frying pan or pot to about 350–375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175–190 degrees Celsius. Take each piece of chicken from the buttermilk, allowing any excess liquid to drip off, and roll it in the breading mix, ensuring it's well coated. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces in the hot oil and fry for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the oil and let it drain on a paper towel-lined plate to remove excess oil. Enjoy your homemade chicken broast. You can serve it with your favorite dipping sauces and sides like fries or coleslaw. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.